Here's how to change a front wheel bearing on an Alfa Romeo Stelvio if absolutely nothing goes wrong. Chalk the wheels off on the opposite side you're lifting. The way I raise the Alfa Romeo Stelvio chassis is by lifting the rear corner of the vehicle to raise that same side's front corner and slide a jack stand under the plastic designated lift point. Fully lower the vehicle back down so the rear wheel is resting on the ground, then carefully raise the jack to lightly support the vehicle. Unbolt the 5 wheel bolts. I recommend removing your axle nut here unless you have a high strength impact. Remove the brake caliper to knuckle fasteners. Remove your wheel spacer if you have one. Unbolt the wire harness support bracket. Carefully remove and hang your brake caliper, being wary of the hard brake line on the caliper itself. Remove the rotor. Unbolt the brake dust shield. Unstake the 2 axle nut stake points. Unbolt the axle nut. Unbolt the wheel speed sensor. Unbolt the upper control arm. And don't lose any of these fasteners. Unbolt the front lower forward control arm from the knuckle, thread the nut back on slightly and hammer it out. There is a high risk of damaging the threads here. You may need to use a puller. You may also need to use a pusher on the axle splines. Unbolt the 4 wheel bearing fasteners. Support the new wheel bearing with the fasteners, thread them all in, and then torque everything down to 81 pound-foot. Slide the axle into the splines and then thread on the axle nut by hand. Connect and bolt on your upper control arm. The torque spec for the axle nut may be 184 pound-foot, but I don't know. Don't forget to stake the axle nut in both locations. Thread the nut on by hand and then bolt your lower forward control arm back to the knuckle. Reinstall your wheel speed sensor. Reinstall the brake dust shield. Mount the brake rotor using a lug bolt to support it. Mount your brake caliper. Thread the fasteners in by hand and then torque them down. Install the wheel guide pins. Don't forget to reinstall the wire harness support bracket. Bolt the wheel on, then raise the vehicle, remove the jack stand, lower the vehicle back down, and torque the wheel down while the vehicle is on the ground in a star pattern.